Yeah, hi everyone. So good to be here. I'm really excited to share with you how I launched this new community for women based in Melbourne, wanting to connect in the outdoors and go on adventures together. So this is what my Notion looks like at the moment for this specific community. And what I started with was basically creating just a simple landing page. So I knew in order to start promoting the first event, I would need to share some details and give some context. And so I just created it very simply. What I love with Notion is that you don't need to have like a perfect branding for it. Like it's already looking nice. If you just add a bit of color, some emojis, you can break up the blocks like I've done this way to create different columns. So that made it super easy for me to like share some information. And then what I did at the end is that I created a very short form here. So people just had to click on that. And then this is also made into Notion. And so then to register, they just had to fill out all of this information. And then on the back end, what I would then receive is this. Here I created another page with all of my forms in them. And here I could see, I put just some test data here to not share personal data of like the person who decided to join that event. And then I could go through and make sure that the people were the right one for this event, making sure that they were comfortable like already hiking outdoors. And so then I could update that status for myself and know if I had to like email them. And then here I could track as well like for the payment, because there was no payment like included within that form. Then I would have to like arrange that via email with them. And so I could just track that and see as well when they submitted. And so once this was created, then once I ran the event, after that, I also created a short feedback form. And so in that feedback form, this is what it looks like when people have to submit it. And then on the back end, same, here I would receive all of the information, and I could like then even talk with Notion about this page here and like decide on like what should I do next for like implementing that feedback. So very simple. I didn't try to like build the whole thing and like a dashboard, like complicated dashboard and stuff like that. I just thought like this is what I need in order to just get started, and then I'll build from there. And this is like a big tip I have for everyone, because I know it can be overwhelming, especially if you're starting with Notion, to be like, well, where do I even start? Well, just start with like one page and then choose like the next action step that you'll need with Notion. So yeah, this is my little behind the scene on how I launched this new community. Yeah.